Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got a video a little bit different today. I'm going to take you to 5 different locations. These are probably like 5 of my favorite 10 locations, photo shoot locations in London. I'm going to show you how I go about shooting there. I'm going to show you around the location, and I'm going to feature a few other photographers that I've shot at this location. But before we get into the video, I need a few things from you guys as usual. I need you to like this video if you like it, share it to any friends and family, any photographers or anyone that's visiting London, and I need you to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification button. Alright, first location, let's go! So up first we have the Thames Barrier. It's literally a dam, or yeah, it's literally a dam that kind of controls the flow of the Thames water. But I just love the architecture. I love how these cylinders look. It's a little bit like the Sydney Opera House, a tiny bit like it, but the views are great. You can get some great shots of the river. I've also done a shoot here at night, and I'll show you some of the night pictures later on in the video. But this is the Thames Barrier. This is a shot I took there on this day. I'll show you a few more shots and a few more areas. So what we'll do, we'll walk a little bit further down, and I'll show you what it looks like down here. Again, up close, they look absolutely amazing. We're going to go through the other side. I'll fast forward the video in a little bit so you can see what it looks like on the other side. So yeah, this is literally the other side of the barrier. A little bit closer, they look really cool. That's a shot. In the distance we have Canary Wharf and the surrounding areas here. If you got a camera that can zoom in, or a lens that can zoom in, you can get some really nice shots of Canary Wharf. And again, this is the same spot at night. I do prefer it at night because you get those colours and the reflections. And there's a shot I took at night as well. And there's Canary Wharf at night. It's looking amazing. So up next we have the Greenwich O2 area. First stop is this amazing balcony and stairwell. I didn't take any pictures here on this day, but as you can see, you can get some amazing shots, some amazing leading lines. I'll show you guys around a bit more. I have taken some portraits here in the past, and I'll show you guys them later on in the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some pictures that someone else took. I want you to check her Instagram out. I've listed it in the description below, but check this out. So Esther Wanderlust. Check out the pictures she took here. Absolutely amazing. Check her Instagram out. She got some really cool pictures. But this is the area that we're at now. Colours look really nice, and this is I took a couple of portraits there in the past. So we were just up there, top left hand corner, but I've come down and I want to show you guys this pathway. Literally what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around it, and I'll show you some spots here. If we look to our left, we have the O2 Arena. That could be a shot in itself. But on the right hand side of this path, we've got this half a boat looking thing, well, half a boat, and you can grab some pictures here. You've got skyscrapers behind it. I took one picture here, but I'll show you guys it in a second. But yeah, this can make a really cool shot. So yeah, coming up is the shot I took here. I've kind of edited the sky a little bit extra, but yeah, there you go. Up next, I literally just followed the road round, and we've got these amazing skyscrapers with the river below us. I took a picture here a few weeks ago, and I'll show it to you guys now. So again, I followed the road round, and it leads to literally, we were up there on the top right hand side before. That's where I took the last picture I showed you. But down below here, I've taken some pictures here before. Usually the tide's not all the way in, and you can get some really cool shots. I'll show you some stuff that I've taken previously in the past. This was a portrait shot that I'd done. As you can see, where the water is, that's where we were standing. Also, again at night, this is a shot I've taken. Lights, reflections looked really cool. And what I have done for this shot is just gathered these stones and literally going to take a picture of the stones and try and blur the background, just because I think it just will add something more to the shot rather than just getting the skyscrapers in the background. And here we have it, just a little bit different. Also, I came up the pathway and these guys had their bikes there, so I asked them if I could take a picture. They were kind enough to let me, and it looks really cool with the skyscrapers in the background as well. So what I did is, again, I followed the road round, or the pathway round, and I came to this spot here. This looks really nice. You can get so much shots here, just the clear views. That little puddle there, you can get some great reflections of the fence, and I'll show you guys the shots that I've taken here on this day actually. And this is all around like the Greenwich O2 area, so check out the pictures that I've taken. So yeah, I was really drawn to the fence. I wanted to see if I could find a gap in the fence and maybe shoot through and find the buildings. Okay, there's one shot I did. The reflections look really cool from that same puddle. If you guys can see that hole in the fence, this is what I was looking for before. I'm gonna grab a shot here. There we have it, hole in the fence shot. And this is the same location at night with a puddle and reflections. Really love this shot and this location. Next location, you guys must know this location from this tube station alone. If you're from London, you'll definitely know it. Yep, Canary Wharf station. Not just the station, but the surrounding areas. Absolutely amazing architecture, buildings, landscape looks really cool. Up first, I would recommend shooting in the actual station before. As you can see, Chris Films on Instagram took an amazing shot here. Again, check her Instagram out. Check out this picture. I think it looks absolutely amazing. That's literally the Canary Wharf station. Second place I'd recommend is literally outside the station. This is a shot I took during the day, and I also took another shot at night, long exposure with the train. So literally outside the station is amazing. Next up is the Big Easy. I love this place. The lights, the architecture, the river. Check out some of these shots I took here. So this is the first one I took on the actual day. I've edited it so you guys can see what it looks like. Second shot I took at night. Reflections look absolutely amazing. So this is literally the stairwell leading to the DLR station above it. But I just wanted to show you a different perspective of this place. I took a shot here inspired by another Instagrammer. But check out the shot I took here. Literally, I just wanted to capture it from, like, frame it differently. But yeah, this was inspired by Dan's Shutter Moments. Check out his Instagram. Again, his Instagram will be in the description below. He took this picture here, and I absolutely love it. One of my favorite pictures. The framing is ridiculous. So up next is this car park by the Cineworld cinema. It's just self-explanatory. The lines, the symmetry look absolutely amazing. In a second we'll go to the bottom and I'll show you what it looks like down there. But just have a look at this. It looks really nice. The amount of shots we can get here It's phenomenal. So yeah, it's located here by Cineworld Cinema. The entrance is just on the right hand side. So here we're at the entrance now. Take the lift to the 6th floor. Yep, and there we have it. Alright, I'll show you guys what it looks like at the bottom as well. Though, be very careful because the car park is in constant use, so there may be cars going up and down the car park, so just be very careful while you're shooting. Here's the bottom of the car park. Absolutely amazing. Imagine putting, like, you've seen those pictures where people put planes in the middle of buildings. You could have a plane right in the middle of, or right above the car park. But yeah, absolutely amazing. I love this car park, and this is all around the Canary Wharf area still. There's a shot I took. I could have put a plane in there, and that's a shot from like halfway through the car park. Next location, still in Canary Wharf, but this doesn't need any explaining. Absolutely love this place. Just enjoy the views, really. The amount of creativity you can have here is off the chain. Just looking at that, the buildings, the colours, the tunnel. Yeah, just go be creative. There's a shot I took. One of the shots I took, nobody was there, which was great. Second shot I took, just me and my phone. In this location, St. Paul's, everyone knows it. Absolutely phenomenal. Just taking a shot from the escalators look amazing. As you can see, someone shooting from this area. You can actually go to the roof and shoot as well. So like, there's so many places you can shoot. Look at the reflections there. We'll get some great reflections at the bottom of the stairs as well. But yeah, St. Paul's, everyone knows it, but I would still recommend it as a great location to shoot. And here we are at the top of the rooftop. You can see so many buildings from here. Clouds look amazing. St. Paul's looks fantastic. Really love it. Look, we've got the Shard there in the distance. The clouds, yeah. St. Paul's. So this is the shot I took at the bottom with the reflections, looking really fantastic, and the shot at the top. I'm not sure the name of those buildings. I can see the London Eye in there as well. Everyone knows this location as well. Leake Street Tunnel. This place is full of graffiti. It looks really good. Like, you got artists there working on the graffiti while we're working, and it's all legal. It's a great place to take shots. I took a few portrait shots here before, and I'll show you guys them later on. But just have a look at the tunnel, check it out. Some amazing artists working down here, and I'll say get creative. You've got artists there ready to paint. So here are a couple of shots that I took while I was here, and I'll show you a few that I've taken in the past. My favorite. And this is my go-to shot whenever I'm not sure what to shoot, or if there's no subject that looks really cool. I get my phone out and I get some Boke in the background. But yeah, this is Leake Street Tunnel.